that mean that foreign nationals are eligible to receive the social relief of distress grant?
There's something called a refugee, someone who is in this country because they are being persecuted from their country of origin and they have been given the status to be in this country legally. Mm-hmm. This individual who is a refugee qualifies for everything like me and you. The only thing that they don't qualify for is the right to vote. So in this instance, we were taken to court and they won the case against the South African Social Security Agency.
Who's the they who won the case? Who's the they?
The stakeholders who represent the refugees.
So in plain, simple English, if I am a Zimbabwean national, if I am Malawian, if I am from Lesotho, if I am from Mozambique, if I am from wherever it is, the DRC, and I come to South Africa and I claim refugee status, I can also receive a grant from SASSA.
You can. Like I clarified earlier on, saying that a refugee is someone who has got the same rights like me and you. The only right which they don't have is the right to vote.
It doesn't make sense, Faith. And somewhere, somehow, we need to change laws. Somewhere, somehow, we need to come up with laws that protects South Africans. I mean, we've got so much little to share. Sometimes it's impossible to share with the rest of Africa. And they must understand that we don't have enough. Thank you, Faith.